Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing how you can use ChatGPT for your content creation. ChatGPT is one of the recently launched AI tool, which is just helping a lot of people on the content creation and some other things. ChatGPT can literally do anything that you ask for that. So just let me share the screen and explain few things about ChatGPT. It's very easy to just sign in. You can sign in with your email ID into the ChatGPT. So once you enter into the ChatGPT, this is the interface what you get. Just like try ChatGPT. Once you click, it will just take inside to the dashboard of ChatGPT. So this is the ChatGPT. Okay, I'll just log in again. You can just log in with whatever the email address you are having. Okay, so once you have just log in, you will get this kind of this kind of thing, this kind of dashboard. Once you log in inside of the ChatGPT, you get this kind of dashboard. So after getting the dashboard, you can just chat here. This is the chat box where you wanted to put any of your questions. So if you are a content creation, either on LinkedIn or on Instagram or on the YouTube, so wherever you or the content creator, just type anything here. Like for example, you are a person related to health. So you can just type health related content ideas for Instagram. It will just start generating all the things. Like it will start generating what all the content ideas that you can use on your Instagram. Healthy food recipes or meal preparation tips, at home workouts, exercise routines, sleep hygiene. So here are 10 different ideas for your Instagram. So in this way, you can just get some ideas what kind of content that you should start creating on the Instagram. And also you can put like trending right now. Trending topics about health. So you will get few trending topics about health which will help you to create content like in the more relevant way. Not only this, ChatGPT also does lot more things. It will write emails for you. It will write landing pages script for you. It will write ad copies for you. So this tool is doing amazing things. So here you got some of the topics like about the health. Now, for example, you can also just dive deeper into a single idea. For example, let me go mental health and burnout in the pandemic. You can just type here how to improve mental health. So here also you get some other points exactly how you can improve your mental health. So in this way, this ChatGPT will help you to create ideas for your content creation, and also it will just dive deeper into any particular topic that you have selected any particular topic to tell on your Instagram or YouTube or LinkedIn. You can just write it here. So it will be giving some insight, lot of things which will be helpful for you to just make your content creation journey very easier. So it will almost save your time on content creation ideas, generating all those things, and also it will save your some of the money which you need to just invest on different tools and all those stuff. This ChatGPT will literally help for you to do all this work. And also the most common question that everyone are asking is about whether the ChatGPT is just replacing the content writers. So the content writers or the copywriters are not going to have any opportunities in the further. That's completely wrong. ChatGPT didn't completely replace the copywriters, because copywriters are the human. The ChatGPT is just a software or it's a tool which will almost help you to save your time on different ideas. But still, ChatGPT cannot replace a human copywriter, because the human copywriter will know exactly what is the depth of the particular topic what they are writing the copy. So I will just put a question here itself. Can ChatGPT replace the human copywriter? ChatGPT can assist human copywriter, but it cannot replace them entirely. So this is what I'm telling. So it's the most common question everyone are asking, whether the ChatGPT is just replacing the human. So while ChatGPT has been trained on large data science and it can generate all the text, but still it cannot just replace the human completely. So that is what I can tell for you. So but this will help the content creators a lot, I think, because I am using this ChatGPT. Like most of the content creators are just suggesting to use this tool. So this will be helpful for you to generate ideas. And also not only this ChatGPT will give different ideas on any other. If you are a student and you wanted to do a science day project, you can ask like, I need my science day project. So now the ChatGPT starts showing something related to science day. So here we have got like some of the ideas. Conduct an experiment to test effects on different variable plant growth, such as water, liquid, investigate on properties. So here we will get different kind of ideas. So if you're having any particular idea, I'll stop generating. If you have any particular idea, then how you can elaborate that thing. So let me go with, I need a project for science day on the environment pollution, or I'll go with on pollution. So now it will show you exactly how you can do, what kind of ideas you can generate. And this is just like ultimate. This particular thing, you can just get all the things, like literally the projects, the experiments. You can write the emails, you can write ad copies, and also the best part is it will also create code for you. So if you want any particular code, but because I don't have any particular knowledge on the coding, but still, if you want something related to code, you can happily ask here, like how to create this particular code, how to correct this particular code. This ChatGPT will also give you the complete code information for you. So I will try in front of you once. Give me code for WordPress. So it will start generating the code for you. You can just copy this code and use it literally wherever you want. So this is exactly how the ChatGPT is working, and also this will help you to create different kind of ideas. It will almost generate you some, like if you're having any particular topics, like if you write just like, as a content creator, you will have a lot of clumsiness in your brain that how exactly you should plan your content. So you can just take a paper and take a pen, write any 10 different ideas for the content creation. And once you just written, then for the single thing, you can get some information from this particular thing. And this ChatGPT also gives some of the video scripts, how to write exactly on a particular topic. This literally gives you a lot of things. This is literally helping a lot of people. So this is the thing what I can tell you about the ChatGPT. So make sure to use this particular tool. I'll be dropping the link of this website in my description. You can just click on the description and check out this tool. This will be really helpful for you, even though if you're a student, to write essays or on all these things, or you wanted to do any assignments, or you want to do any projects. And also like it will be helpful for the content creators. So this is helpful in a lot of ways, but today I wanted to share only these things. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be sharing a lot of content related to making money in the online, and how these trends are happening, the digital marketing, the entrepreneurship, about all these things. I'll be sharing a lot of content on this channel. So make sure to subscribe and also like and share with any people, to your friends who will be benefit from this particular video. So thank you so much. Let us meet in another video.